Hi everyone, it's Miss Anna and welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. Each week, the Behavior team is going to present a quick tip that we think might help our online learners while they're at home. And today I want to show you the visual schedule. As you can see, I have it set up nicely on the wall behind me. And this black tail that you see is my companion, Loki, and he is also going to help me present to you. Visual schedules can benefit each and every one of our students. Even most adults utilize some sort of visual schedule, whether it's a to-do list, a day planner, or even a grocery list. Visual schedules help us to lay out the day in a clear and predictable manner, and it's easy for everyone to understand, even our children who aren't able to read yet because of the pictures. It clearly outlines what activities remain throughout the day, and the best part is it shows us when the fun activities are going to happen. This usually increases motivation to complete everything leading up to the fun activity. So if I look at my schedule, I can see that if I do my reading, writing, and math, then I get to play. Visual schedules are incredibly customizable. They can be really specific, or they can be pretty general like mine. Keep watching for some links to some resources. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next Tuesday.